Hello and welcome to the Dynata training series. In this video, we will learn about how to format charts. Now, let's open a chart we have already created to see the various formatting options in the chart editor. On this page, hover over the pencil icon and select Edit to open the editor. You can use the second option under the pencil icon to adjust the labels and positions for individual data points. Flip variables will convert the rows of your chart to columns and the columns to rows. In the chart editor, you will see two different tabs, Data and Visualize. First, let's talk about the Data tab. Here, the first drop-down allows you to select the calculation to display in the chart. You can also toggle Show Totals and Round Data Values on and off. If you have multiple rows or columns in your crosstab, then you can select them under the Variables area. By enabling this option, you can show significance notification in your charts. You have given two options here which you can choose as per your need. Under the Statistical Significance section, enabling the option Standard Labels uses letters and numbers, or Column Letter uses the column letter notation from the parent crosstab. This option can show the warning message when the chart sample size falls below the set threshold value. For example, if we set the threshold value as 1000, then we will see the low sample size warning. Finally, this option allows you to display top-bottom figures in the chart. It's useful when you need to display the most or least selected options. Now, let's discuss the Visualize tab options. This covers formatting different charts attributes like colors and formatting labels. The general area has several options to control the chart display. Default styles allows the users to copy formatting options from another chart within the same dataset, your user options, or a PowerPoint template in your account. So, if we go to select source charts and select any other chart from the options, then whatever formatting style you have in that chart, it will be copied over in this chart too. The next two sections adjust the chart and plot area. You can modify a number of things here, including the chart size and the padding or spacing. These display settings are useful for controlling the resizing of charts in dashboard. Footnotes can add additional information to your chart, such as the sample size and any notes about filters used in the chart. Note that you can format the style for the notes here as well. The Color tab adjusts the colors used in the chart. Chart theme will use your account's default settings. If you want to change colors for an individual chart, you can click on any of the squares. This will bring up a color picker where you can select a web-safe color, or you can put in a hex code or RGB value on the Custom Color tab. In the PowerPoint Themes section, you can select the colors from any uploaded PowerPoint templates. If needed, you can also define custom colors here by clicking on any of the squares to bring up a color picker. Finally, there are a number of predefined themes palette that you can select from. The chart section is straightforward. We can set some online display effects or change the chart type. The interactive tab can be used to make the online charts more dynamic for viewers by adding a filter panel and drop downs that they can use to adjust the chart display. This works best if underlying crosstab contains additional row, column, and filter variables that are not currently being displayed in the chart. For example, my crosstab has additional brands in the row variables and includes filters for age and gender. When I enable the interactive filter panel and row drop-down, I can then change the chart display accordingly. If you need to go back to check your crosstab design, there's a shortcut right there. The filter panel can be formatted with a light or a dark theme and an accent color. The axis area has settings for the category axis and the numeric axis. For example, you can adjust the label position, font style, font size, and so on. Note that not all changes will be reflected in online view. Some will only appear in your exported PowerPoint files. The labels area has settings for the legend title and value labels of the chart. Most settings will display in online and offline view. Value label positioning will only be displayed in your exported PowerPoint files. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.